Greetings to the principal ma'am, teachers and students of Bal Bharati Public School. Heartiest congratulations to all of you from my side. I applaud the hard work and efforts put in by the dedicated staff and the students. I wish you all the very best for everything you do. Thank you.
Best wishes to all children and staff of Bal Bharati. May you excel holistically in all aspects and succeed in whatever you do. Thank you.
Best congratulations to Bal Bharati Public School. We wish the school continued success and excellence in their journey. Best wishes to all the children for their future endeavor. May they shine bright and reach new heights. Regards to all parents, we are confident that school will continue to rise to a greater height. My best wishes. Thank you.
Teachers of Bal Bharati Public School are passionate and dedicated, making learning exciting and engaging.
The school focusing on the overall development of child. There are many activities conducted in school. We love to go to school every day.
And the school environment is very spacious, very hygiene. Class teacher she's very humble. She listens to our problems, give a very good response. My son loved to go to school.
Environment is very nice and friendly, so children are enjoying.
My daughter really enjoys the time spent in the school and she has developed a well all-rounded skill. The activities taught in the school are very broad.
NTPC వాళ్ళు నిర్వహించిన జెమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ద్వారా మా పాపకి ఫ్రీ సీట్ వచ్చిందండి. 6th లో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత 5వ క్లాస్ వరకు తెలుగు మీడియంలో చదివేది. ఒక్కసారిగా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలో వెళ్ళేసరికి పాప మొదట్లో కొంచెం కంగారు పడేది. తర్వాత బాల భారతి స్టాఫ్ అందరూ జెమ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ బాగా ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి ఇంగ్లీష్లో అన్నింటిలో ప్రావీణ్యం కలిగేటట్టు చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు పాప ఇంగ్లీష్ రాయడం చదవడం అన్నీ బాగానే చేస్తుందండి. చాలా డెవలప్ అయింది. తాంగ్టాలోని నేషనల్ ఛాంపియన్స్లో 3rd ప్లేస్ కొట్టిందండి. దానికి నాకు చాలా గర్వకారణంగా ఉంది.
और बच्चों को सब स्कूल में ही समझ में आ जाता है, तो घर में बताने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि बच्चों को अभी कोई ट्यूशन देने की जरूरत है. बाल भारती स्कूल में मुझे एक चीज बहुत पसंद है कि वहाँ पे हार्ड वर्क से ज्यादा स्मार्ट वर्क पे ध्यान देते हैं. बच्चों को जैसे राइम सिखाना या कुछ तो बच्चे बहुत इजीली सीख जाते हैं वीडियो के थ्रू और सारे बच्चों के साथ मिलके. घर में उनको रटाते रहो तो उनको समझ में नहीं आता, और इसीलिए बाल भारती स्कूल दूसरे स्कूलों से बेटर है. तो मैं चाहूंगी कि मेरी बच्ची यहीं पढ़े.
The teachers go above and beyond to support the students and they truly care about each child's success. The extracurricular activities are very well organized and the communication from the school is excellent. I always feel informed about my child's progress and most importantly, an inclusive learning environment.
To developing a child's brain by educate them and involve them in the physical activities like games, sports, musical classes and dance etc. My son loves to go to school, which explains itself that how good this school education system is.
The environment of school is very good and the teachers are very helpful in nature, and the level of study and the way of teaching of the teacher is excellent.
The nurturing environment and thoughtful approach towards learning had made a huge difference in her confidence. The hands-on activity and support from the caring teachers had made her develop both socially as well as academically. I am so grateful to the wonderful team.
Initially, my child was very shy in nature and used to skip public appearances, but after going to school within a few days, he has started taking part in singing, dancing, painting, and her studies also evolved a lot. All was possible only because of the friendly and nurturing environment prevailing in the school.
Bal Bharati Public School provides warm and encouraging environment which help my child to feel confident and comfortable. Co-curricular activities conducted by Bal Bharati Public School are commendable, which are helping child in overall development. We appreciate the dedication of the teacher and we are happy with the overall approach of the school.
My daughter loves to go to school. That shows the interaction between the teachers and the children, and she is actively participating in all the activities. The teaching staff have especially given various activities like sports, dancing, drawing, all the activities to the children in the initial stages to make the interest with the school, which is very good.
As a parent, I would like to take this prospect to thank all the teachers of Bal Bharti for their continuous care, support, collaboration and most importantly, patience. I have witnessed massive and exponential development in my son.
It has been a wonderful experience for our son and us as well. All the teachers are very passionate about everything they do and they are very caring about the children. They teach life skills not just with the curriculum but project based and activity based.
I truly feel that Bal Bharti Public School at NTPC Simhadri is one of the best things that happened to my children. In this school, the teachers are very dedicated, approachable and genuinely care about each child's growth. What truly stands out is that they regularly communicate with the parents about their child's growth and the areas to improve upon, which truly helps us to stay involved. Not only about the academics, they also give a great importance to dance, arts and the overall development of the children, which help them to explore their talents and grow with the confidence.
Our Bal Bharti Public School has a very good management. It nurtures every child and inspires excellence. So every day my child steps into the school, he steps in with excitement and comes out with great pride. So as it is said, excellence is not a destination, it's a continuous journey. So we must find the gap and keep on improving every day.
Teachers are kind and supportive and learning environment is excellent. Not only in studies, always teachers are encouraging the students in extracurricular activities. We are very happy with the progress our child is making at school.
We truly appreciate the nurturing and pleasant approach of the teachers and all the whole school management. My children is learning very important things like respect, responsibility and kindful. The school is very warm and welcoming atmosphere. He loves going to school every day.
And all the subject teachers which not only give opportunity to enhance children's skill but also to motivate them to think out of the box. And my daughter enjoyed the CC activity a lot.
School is increasing my child's confidence a lot. From very young age, they are eliminating stage fear from within the children so that they can speak in front of others and express their views. So this is really very nice job they are doing.
Thus, his teacher returns so much of efforts to develop our child, and they have done excellent. Thank you, all teachers.
Thanks for your endurance, quality care, enthusiasm, diligent efforts and passion that you are providing each and every day. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the incredible support you all have provided.
Thank you all. Thank you once again for taking good care of our children. Thank you.
Thank you for your continuous efforts in shaping our child's future.
For this, I am really very grateful for the school for always being a positive influence on my child's life. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I am really happy and fully satisfied about Bal Bharti Public School. Thank you.
Thank you for being an important part in our child's development. Thank you.
We love Bal Bharti Public School and also thank you to Principal Madam and all teachers.
I am very happy to send my children to Bal Bharti Public School. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bal Bharti.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Warm greetings to one and all. My best wishes to our children on their wonderful learning journey. We are grateful to Child Education Society for their tremendous support in all facets. Our heartfelt gratitude to NTPC management for their invaluable backing to Bal Bharti Public School, Simhadri. Our remarkable parents, thank you for the trust you have in your child's growth. We endure to strive for the school's success and your child's development. Let's work together to raise our children and illuminate the path to excellence.